So we have discussed all the methods in our syllabus. So what we'll do is we'll try to find out a overall view about all the methods. The different methods of valuing a business will give different values for the same business and are suitable in different situations. So each method is suitable for a particular situation and each method will give you a different value. For example, if you use cash flow or earnings for a company which is like having a stable cash flow, that will give a maximum value for a business. For the same business, if you use NAV method as a basis, it will give you the minimum value. If you use a dividend valuation model, DVM, it will give somewhere between the two. Okay, it will give you a value between the two. So you can put it like this: a seller, a company which tries to sell its company to another company, they will try to value themselves on the basis of cash flow because that is what gives the highest value. A company which is trying to buy another company, they will try to value the company based on the NAV. So the value of the company is something like a negotiation between the two companies. So one company will say, give me 100 crore. The other company will say, I can give you only 10 crore. So somewhere they have to negotiate and settle at the value. So the real worth of a company we'll discuss in this slide. See, valuation is an art, not a science. So you won't get any exact answer like science formulas. You will only get an appropriate answer based upon the assumptions. Your answers will also differ. The real worth of a company depends on the viewpoints of the various parties. So what's the real worth of a company? It depends upon the valuation method and the person who values it. The different methods of valuation and assumptions made will give widely differing value for the same business. High or low value depends on the viewpoint of the negotiating parties. It is important to explain this in the examination and show the examiner that you have understood the valuation is a subjective exercise. So there is no like exact answer. Based upon the assumptions, it can change. Based upon the viewpoint, it can change. Based upon the stakeholder, it can change. Okay. So you have to explain this in a exam so that it ensures that you have a good knowledge about valuations. You can reach me at my website wowacademics.com, or you can also see my Quora answers. I am active in LinkedIn and in Facebook page. So you can visit at these places. If you just type Sham Prasad and Wow Academics, you will get all these links in Google search itself. And if you like this video, give a like, share to your friends, and if you feel that any points we have missed in this video, you can post it. We will try to give an answer to you in the comment section itself, or we'll also create another video for you. So thank you for watching our video.